right. Let's cheer Harmony on. She's the only girl in the pull-offs. Oh, she almost fell off the seat. All right, for 210 pounds is a lot more than these kids weigh. Probably twice what they weigh. So this is a lot of work to be pulling this much weight on the sled. And it is not easy. Even the weights are having trouble getting up the sled. 34 1/4. Nice job. Her brothers to show her up. All right, keep going, Maggie. All the way to the end. I think she can do it. What do you think, crowd? You think she can do it? She's almost there. She's almost there. Come on, Maggie. It'll follow you. Full pull. Sweet. She's got nice long legs. That helps her with leverage. She can do it though. She's trying. It's not so easy. 210 pounds. All right. 23 1/4 feet. Very good.